With the utility dashboard, powered by EnergyPrint, we make it simple to benchmark a building against itself, buildings from your portfolio, or peer buildings in our validated database. The Property Energy Trends graph visualizes energy cost, consumption, and carbon. And it provides a visual opportunity to benchmark your building to peers. Below the Property Energy Trends graph, you'll find the My Properties section. Here you see buildings from your portfolio. Simply select buildings to compare by clicking each one. As you add them, they will appear in the Compare With section to the right. Note that you can also just click My Company or My Portfolio to do a search against your specific portfolio or all buildings you track in the utility dashboard. You can compare against up to 4 different buildings in your portfolio. When you're done adding buildings, click Update Graph to populate the results. You can now adjust the Trends graph to compare cost, consumption, or carbon metrics, or look specifically at the comparison by energy type. Drag the scroll bar at the bottom of the graph left or right to adjust the time frame for your comparison. Here we are looking at consumption comparison for electric data for 3 office buildings. You can see our primary building trends higher in electricity. With Advanced Search, you can also look at peer data beyond your portfolio of buildings. Just click Advanced Search and enter the property type you want to compare. Include a square footage range and distance parameters to refine your search. When ready, click Add to Comparisons and your advanced search results will appear in the Compare With list. Click Update Graph to search for a peer benchmark. EnergyPrint's proprietary database must find at least 5 buildings matching your criteria to return a comparison while protecting peer building identification. In this example, we have a peer result that shows our building is performing considerably better on energy costs than its local peers of similar size and use. For help with property comparisons, or to learn more about the utility dashboard, visit us online or contact your EnergyPrint representative.